What a cracking adventure. November 13th, 2025, and the sun looks like it's been sculpted from bright yellow clay. We're trundling down a winding lane, hedges wobbly as if rolled by hand, little clay rabbits peeking out. The car bounces along, anticipation building for the legendary mansion ahead. Suddenly, the gates appear, enormous, whimsical, with clay sheep perched on top, each with its own personality. As they swing open, the driveway curves ahead, pebbles crunching under the tires. It feels like we're entering a storybook. The air smells of fresh grass and just maybe a hint of Wensleydale cheese. The manor itself is sprawling, terracotta walls textured like they're begging to be touched, a roof of mismatched blue and green tiles. It's imperfect, and that's its charm, a house with a smile. We pull up, the car sighs, and we're here. Standing before this marvel, you feel a sense of wonder, like stepping into a dream. Big, round windows peer out, flower boxes overflowing with vibrant clay blooms. A clay bird chirps from a nearby tree. It's time to go in. The house seems to invite us, promising marvels inside. This isn't just a building, it's a $10 million dream. Let's see what's waiting beyond the door. I can hardly wait. Deep breath. We push open the cherry red front door. It thunks satisfyingly. The foyer is a showstopper. A sweeping staircase spirals up like a polished seashell. The banister is smooth and solid, practically begging for a slide. Above, a chandelier of colorful glass baubles scatters rainbows across the high ceiling. The floor is a hypnotic mosaic, swirling patterns leading to doorways full of promise. The creamy walls are adorned with quirky portraits, animals in fancy dress, a badger in a top hat, a fox with a monocle. It's wonderfully balmy, and you can't help but grin. This isn't a cold mansion, it's built for joy and laughter. Every detail, from crooked paintings to playful floors, oozes personality. The house invites you to relax, be silly, and expect the unexpected. There's a palpable sense of fun, as if anything could happen here. You can almost hear echoes of past parties and laughter. This foyer isn't just an entrance, it's a promise of adventure. The house doesn't take itself too seriously. It's the perfect introduction to a home like no other. Let's see what's next. Into the living room, huge, with a colossal stone fireplace and a fire of flickering orange clay. Squishy plum sofas beckon you to sink in with tea and a biscuit. Towering bookshelves line the walls, a rolling ladder ready for exploration. Sunlight streams through big windows. A grand piano waits in the corner. It's a room for relaxing, reading, and dreaming. The kitchen is a chef's paradise, a massive island, shiny copper pots, duck egg blue cupboards, and a 6-burner stove. The fridge is enormous, the breakfast nook sunny and inviting. Potted herbs line the windowsill, and a big jar of biscuits sits on the counter. Its rustic charm meets top-of-the-line gadgetry. The kitchen is the heart of the home, perfect for baking, chatting, or sharing stories. Every detail feels personal and warm. This isn't just a place to cook, it's where memories are made. Let's head upstairs. Up the swirling staircase to the master bedroom, a stunner, a gigantic 4-poster bed, deep blue velvet drapes, and a private balcony with breathtaking views. The walk-in closet is a room of its own, beautifully organized, a gadget lover's dream. The bathroom is pure luxury, a clawfoot tub, heated floors, rainfall shower, and stacks of fluffy towels. It's a spa-like escape. Down the hall, a door marked The Picture Palace reveals a private cinema. Plush red velvet chairs, a massive screen, and a classic popcorn machine. The sound system rumbles, ready for movie nights. It's the ultimate treat. Watch anything from classics to blockbusters. Every space is designed for comfort and delight. This is living at its finest. But there's more fun to find. Down to the basement. The games room is a wonderland, a full-size snooker table, vintage pinball machines, air hockey, and foosball promise endless fun. There's a bar area with stools and a fridge of fizzy pop, a dartboard and retro movie posters. It's the perfect spot for parties or rainy day hangouts. Now outside, the gardens are magical. Sprawling lawns, vibrant flower beds, and a pristine tennis court. The pool is shaped like a giant friendly whale with loungers and stripy umbrellas all around. A poolside hut serves cool drinks and ice lollies. It's the ultimate summer oasis. Every inch of the grounds is playful and inviting. You could spend all day here, splashing, playing, and relaxing. The fun never ends. This estate is a playground for all ages. Let's savor the everyday wonders. Life here is about extraordinary, everyday moments. Wake to claybirds chirping, sip tea on your balcony as mist lifts from the hills, lunch al fresco on the terrace, cheese and crackers under a parasol, bees buzzing nearby. Simple pleasures define the lifestyle. Time slows down, and you savor each moment. Tinker in the garage, inventing wild gadgets in your creative haven. Evenings mean snooker in the games room or curling up with a book by the fire. Rain patters on round windows. The house warm and safe. It's comfort, fun, and endless possibility. Here, you're truly at home. Every day is a cracking good time. As the sun sets, you realize this claymation mansion is more than luxury. It's not about the price or size, it's about the feeling. Built with love, creativity, and a dash of silliness, it's a house with heart. Every corner brings a smile, from sheep on the gates to animal portraits. It encourages playfulness and wonder, turning the mundane magical. Here, you can be anything: host, chef, inventor, dreamer. The house is your canvas for a life less ordinary. As you drive away, the feeling lingers, pure wonder. This isn't just a property, it's a promise of joy and adventure. A dream come true, meticulously crafted. What a truly cracking day out. Absolutely smashing.